Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Unboxing World by Jolits. So for today, I found something interesting, so I just thought I might as well share it with you. I bought it at BHG, a department store here in Singapore, for only $10, I think. This one is for those who love gardening. This one is designed to grow kitchen herbs, spices, fruits, and vegetable. It is what we call urban farming. It is guaranteed to grow and 100% natural. So let's begin and check what's inside. Okay guys, check natin. So it's from Paris Garden Kids. So this one is a tomato. And meron pa silang iba like mimosa, sunflower, and strawberry. Pero ito lang nakuha natin. Tomato. So may instruction siya. Plant, water, and grow lang. So check natin. Open. Siya na open. Tingin. Ba yung soil niya. Ito may seed siya, 0.18 gram. Australia. Yan, urban farming. Yung instruction niya. Siyempre, dali lang naman to. Ito naman step by step. Instruction siya step by step. So, napakadali lang ito. And then, meron siyang sticker. Yan. May sticker siyang kasama. So, malamang para dito yan sa pot niya. May design. So, ayan. Ayan guys. Yan yung malaman niya. Soil. Pero parang ang tigas nito. Parang ang tigas ito para sa soil. And then the seed. Stickers and the instruction. So okay guys, so ito coco pit ang tawag dito. Gawin na natin. Lukewarm water, so parang maging soil siya. Okay, so na-absorb niya yung water. So next, gusto natin siya ng port para yan, para madurog siya. Mukhang soil talaga. Pag medyo matigas pa, medyo dagdagan natin ng tubig. So after ng step 1, syempre step 2, empty 3/4 of the growing medium to the container. So babawasan natin. And then step 3, sprinkle the seeds. So ito yung seeds. Ano ba may tsura nito? Gawa natin ito. Natin. Yan. Pula. Yan. So, mga ganun lang. So, after may lagay yung mga seeds, yan. Babalik natin yung mga tinanggal natin na soil kanina. Then, cover na lang ng mabuti. So, yun guys. After nun, bilikan lang natin ng konti. Ayan. So, may instruction naman siya kung paano mo siya alagaan. Kung paano siya diligan. Ayan. Instruction naman. Pati yung pag-fertilize sa kanya. Ayan. So, complete siya. Complete na step by step. Ayan. So, yung seed niya, dami pang natira. Magagamit mo pa sa iba. Kung may mga ibang paso pa kayong maliit, pwede pang magamit. That's it guys. So after a few weeks, I'll go check this out and update you of what it will look like. So please do subscribe and push the notification button to keep updated. Thank you for watching. Bye.